DY Series full automatic bidirectional hydraulic brick machine is developed and researched for autoclaved lime sand fly ash brick by the Dongyue Machinery Group to bring the requirement of high-rise building construction in cities and towns. Its operational process is as follows. Firstly, shoveling lumps of limestones in the raw material shed with a forklift into the jaw crusher for crushing. Send the crushed lime with the bucket elevator to the lime store for storage. Then, send it to the ball mill by the belt conveyor for grinding. Make it into powder. Send it to the powder warehouse with the bucket elevator for future use. Perfect dust cleaning apparatus are equipped for the whole process of raw material preparation, delivering, and allocation to protect the environment from being polluted. Selected aggregates are sent into the scale with the belt conveyor. In the meantime, quicklime or cement and water are weighed at the electronic scale separately. Then, orderly put raw materials into vertical type high-speed mixer for even stirring. Send the mixed raw materials after stirring by the belt conveyor to the slaking store for slaking. All measuring processes are controlled by the PLC control system to ensure the continuity and precision of measurement. For the slaking of materials in the slaking store, the quicklime will absorb water in the mixed materials and turn into calcium hydroxide. The time required for the process are related to factors such as the contents of available calcium in the lime, the fineness of powder, temperature of the mixed material, the weight for slaking, etc. The material after slaking is sent to the edge runner mill for crushing, refining, compaction, and force contact to expand the reaction interface, improve the plasticity and activity of materials, especially the compactness of materials, to ensure the quality of green bricks. Crushed materials are sent to the store for completed materials by the belt conveyor. Materials after being screened and filtered at the vibrating screen are stored in the store for completed materials for bidirectional hydraulic brick machine to press bricks. By electric shock feeding, materials are evenly spread in the mold. Materials in the mold are pressed into solid or hollow bricks of high strength by the bidirectional hydraulic brick machine. Then, these bricks are delivered to the steam trolley by the full automatic stacker or the manipulator stacker. The trolley is grouped at the front of the autoclave. and sent to the autoclave by the automatically autoclaving enter device for curing. Lime sandfly ash bricks are formed in the way that the active calcium oxide ingredients in the green brick and silica in the sand form hydration reaction under high temperature and generate various silicate jelly-like substances, most of which are tobermorite and a few magnesium silicate, etc. These substances from bricks have certain strength. Autoclaved lime sand bricks are dragged out by the ferry car behind the autoclave, or by the windlass and moved onto the ferry car. Then, the finished products are sent to the transfer place for finished products. Then sent to the storage yard by the brick holding machine to be piled according to specifications. In the meantime, the steam trolley is put on the return device. Through the automatic return device, it can be sent to the lower side of the stacker for stacking again. The workflow above is repeated in the whole production line continually, suitable for requirements of different annual output. Dongyue will inherit the development strategy of innovation, high efficiency, lean management, synergetic development, and international integration to create building material machinery manufacturing base, possessing international competitiveness. Become a trustworthy international building material machinery manufacturer with international quality and international influences. Dongyue Machinery Group.